Welcome to Lake Las Vegas. We want to take you out, show you the water stuff they have going on here. Unfortunately, we're not doing it tonight because we are super sore from jet skiing on the rocks yesterday. Greg threw me off a few times.
Welcome to Lake Las Vegas.
Tell everybody what we're recording on today.
The DJI Osmo Pocket.
So we're gonna see if we're gonna buy one of these. Our friends let us borrow it.
Yeah.
So you guys tell us if you like the footage. We're gonna show you guys. The casino's still not open. It's been closed ever since for what, 4 or 5 years. And then there's a Hilton. There's what else they got out here?
They got a Westin, right?
Yeah, there's a Westin. There's a Hilton.
They have a pool, water park type. I don't even know what you call it. Inflatable fun.
Yeah.
We're not getting in it because we're too sore from the lake yesterday, so.
We were out on jet skis yesterday. And we just bought a new tube. So I wish we would have got footage of you rolling off that thing. That was so funny. Here's the old casino here. Casino Montilago. But like I said, guys, that thing's been closed forever. 4 or 5 years. These are all just private condos, townhomes.
So you can rent these. Has a little bit of spider webs on it. It's still pretty cool looking. So they got a little kid sandbox. Here's a little water sports store.
That's where you go. Here's all the prices are.
So
We could do the flyboard thing. Paddleboard. How much is the park? 1 hour pass, $20. 2 hour pass, $30. How much are the paddle boats? It doesn't even say. Oh yeah, right here. 2 person, $25. That looks fun, huh?
yeah,
There's a lot more people than I thought would be out here.
yeah, no kidding.
I do want to say that we came out here one time. We were going to do it, and it was closed because it rained overnight. So make sure that they're open, because I guess after a hard rain, they have to wait 2 days to clean it all up, like the lake and everything. So make sure you call before you come out. What are these things for, do you think?
I think they're for jumping the tube. I don't
I
know.
think they take the tubes up there.
Yeah.
Dang, that's cool. Look, and there's a zip line.
Is that?
Right
Bloody
here.
Mary in a pan.
Yeah. I got you a Coca-Cola.
Thanks.
It's pretty big out here. He said the water sports is bringing in a lot of people. So here's some of the good restaurants. We're gonna go to 15 Lakeside right up here.
But here's Mimi and Coco Bistro.
Yeah, it's cool to see everybody out here. Man.
Yeah, I've never seen this place so alive.
Finally,
Here's another little place.
it's an ice cream shop.
Little ice cream shop. Gelato. All that good stuff.
How's your Bloody Mary?
Oh, I'll take some getting used to. There's no olives.
Oh,
Here's all the little places they got. There's the famous 2 Circle.
Rocky Mountain Chocolate Factory.
So over there's another fancy restaurant.
This is just a nice place to like come walk around. If you want to get away from the strip, go play on that water and stuff. I kind of want to do the paddle boat.
This looks like the Coco movie over here. Sunrise at Grill. Looks like a nice little spot.
Stir it a little bit. You put a little Tabasco at the bottom for you.
You're the best.
There, you're better.
Thanks, Browner.
This used to be the Ritz-Carlton, now it's the Hilton. But it's still really nice in
Yeah.
there.
So this is the directions. Big old parking garage here. The casino has no name. And that is very warm. Okay. There's the hotel right here.
See all the kayakers back there? Or the paddleboarders?
Nope.
Look at all of them. There's kayakers. Look all the way over there. That would be cool to paddleboard.
So guys, as you can see, it's a very water-rich area. Got a little kid over there in his own little kayak. There's the big water sport thing. We're gonna get down the drone. Look at the lifeguard towers. Goodness gracious.
Why are they blowing the whistle? Look, so you have to swim out to the thing. See how they're getting off? So those people's time must be over, so all those kids are getting
Yeah.
They have to swim over to it.
But it's a nice little area. So this is what the view from the bridge looks like. If you ever want to get there, you just go by Sunrise Grill or something.
You just come over, you'll see it.
Yeah, you'll see. Oh, here's another little restaurante. La Capella.
I don't think it's open.
Try.
It's like a monster. Boom, boom, boom. I think this is where people get married. 'Cause there's
Here's Chapel Centre.
I feel like it's pretty safe to get married. Look, the lifeguards are actually cleaning it off in between groups.
Yeah, they're all switching, cleaning, going down slides,
Oh, they're all excited. Everybody's about to go.
screaming.
They're screaming,
Oh,
hollering.
they are screaming.
Here, let's go over here and look.
Oh, they're about to all go.
First kid in the water.
First kid, second kid, third.
All of them.
They're flooding in. Man, the dock's still tilted.
Nope, sounds like a bunch of fun over there. What do you think?
Maybe we'll do it next time. I don't know. Let's go on in.
Shrimp and lobster pasta and a spicy marinara.
I beat you to the top of the stairs and just saying, wow, this looks way fancier than it should be. Oh, yeah. So this is what it looks like inside. 1-5 Lakeside. Just a lot of wine.
How was the wedge?
It's pretty good. Didn't like the bacon, but he does and stuff.
Oh yeah, I got that bacon.
Yum. What'd you get, Pop?
But here, yeah, I got the pastrami melt.
I got a burger.
Same as my dad, and she just got the original American, except she has nothing on her burger because she's weird.
True story.
But
Enjoy.
How's your cheeseburger?
It's good. Hey guys, thanks so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed our video of Lake Las Vegas and our brunch. Thank you so much for watching. Peace out, Vegas. We love you.
what does this button do? Is this a zoom? Oh, okay.
Hey.